today I am making a one pot dish, and I am using turmeric, paprika, red pepper flakes, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and also some Sazan Goya. I'm just gonna go in and then going in with a little olive oil. So now I'm gonna go in with garlic and onion. Translucent, we are going with some tomato paste. So let's combine this, and it's on low heat. And this is going to give the stew a nice color. I'm just trying it, so better than bouillon. So roast beef, I'm gonna add a little. I'm gonna add my tomato and thyme. Just to get a little liquid in the pot. The tomato is gonna add a little of that. And the stove is on low heat. Now I'm going to go in with the beef. Make it sweat a little. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of warm water. So I'm going to add a little water. To this. Let that do its thing. We're going again. And this time I'm gonna add some nutmeg. I'm gonna add a little. I'm also gonna add some pimento seed and cloves. Right, this so. And I'll just get this together now. I'm gonna add some warm water to the pot. This is about a cup. See if we need any more. Hold on, I don't know if we need any more. Alright, so this is a cup of water. I was gonna put a cup and a half. but this is a cup, so I'm gonna let it simmer some more, then I taste it. Here I go in again, so I'm gonna add some rice. I don't think it's have too much rice. So cut up some vegetable for putting on the rice, just to make the rice look pretty. After the rice practically finished steam. So we're working with red and green because that's what we have. And if you have green scallion, you can also use green onion, which is scallion. You can also use that. I might use some. I'm also gonna fry up some plantains. And then I remove the plant from the pot. I'm gonna add the bell peppers, the plantains, and then I'm just gonna combine all this goodness together. Cover this. I think I'm going to turn off the stove. I make that just gonna sit. Yes.